If you've ever purchased products on Amazon, most likely you stumbled upon these badges. And probably they made you decide to purchase a product if you weren't able to make a decision to begin with. In fact, a study done on 37,000 products on Amazon back in 2018 showed that the Amazon Choice Badge and the Bestseller Badge significantly increased traffic. But not only traffic, these two badges are able to increase conversion rates or sales by up to 25%. So if you are a new Amazon seller, there are strategies that you need to follow in order to increase your chances of getting the Amazon Choice Badge or the Bestseller Badge. So let's get started. I'm certainly going to explain to you the Bestseller Badge, and then I'm going to explain to you the Amazon Choice Badge, and then at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you the strategies that you need to follow in order to try to increase your chances of getting both those badges. Let's get started with the Bestseller Badge. Number one, you have two chances of getting the Bestseller Badge, because it is primarily based on being the bestseller of a particular category. So you can either be a bestseller for the main category, which is going to be the most competitive, or the subcategory, which is also sometimes competitive. Number two, it's based on sales. It is known as the Bestseller Badge because that's purely exactly what it is. You need to be the bestseller of the main category or the subcategory in order to get this badge. More on that at the end of the video. Number three, this badge is refreshed every hour. What do I mean by that? The actual bestseller rank of all the products for all of the categories on Amazon are refreshed on an hourly basis. And that's why it's very difficult to hold on to this badge as well as the Amazon Choice Badge, which we will be talking about later on. However, that also indicates that you do have chances every hour to get that badge in case you don't currently have it. Now, before we talk about strategies, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are a certified Amazon partner and we support sellers of all levels succeed on Amazon, primarily in the UAE, Saudi, Egypt, and the Turkish Amazon marketplaces. Now, you can reach out to us and apply to be one of the clients that work with us one-on-one directly to increase their sales on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. These are the types of strategies that we implement in order to grow your sales and your account, even if you're just starting out. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment in the comment section below, and like this video at the same time because it helps and supports us with growing our channel and supporting more sellers like you. Now, what is the Amazon Choice Badge? It is also a badge that shows up in the top left corner next to your product. It is a different color than the Bestseller Badge. It's black or very dark blue. Number one, more chances of getting the Amazon Choice Badge. Yes, because the Amazon Choice Badge is based on keywords. So there are multiple keywords that describe your product and hence you have multiple chances of getting the Amazon Choice Badge. So as an example, you might get the Amazon Choice Badge for water bottle kids, and somebody else might have the Amazon Choice Badge for water bottle for sports or sports water bottle as an example. You might be selling the exact same product, but every single seller has the Amazon Choice Badge for that particular keyword. So yes, I would say the Amazon Choice Badge is somewhat easier for you to get, but there are also very important strategies to follow. Which leads me to point number two. What is the Amazon Choice Badge based on? Now, Amazon doesn't disclose exactly the formula behind the Amazon Choice Badge. However, we do know it's a mixture of things. Number one being listing optimization, SEO optimization, and keyword ranking, sales velocity of the product, certainly product reviews, as well as price. Now, with that being said, when you are a new seller on Amazon, let's talk about the strategies that you need to implement in order to have the highest chances of either getting the Bestseller Badge or the Amazon Choice Badge, which will inherently help you succeed on Amazon. Number one, you need to be ready. Remember, the Amazon Choice Badge is loosely also based on the fact that the product has really good ranking keyword-wise. So you need to ensure that your listing is well optimized, so you have great 7 images, and most importantly, the back end, the keyword of the listing is very well optimized, you're utilizing really high ranking keywords, and your category is correct for the product. So that is essential. Number two, you need to certainly have a launch strategy, especially if you're launching a new product. One of the main factors for both bestseller badge and the Amazon Choice badge is sales velocity. So you need to have a strategy where as soon as you launch your product, you start generating sales, because that will get the Amazon algorithm interested in your product. Now, number three, I'm not going to go into the idea of course, your product needs to be good quality, because having negative reviews will severely affect your chances of getting the Amazon Choice badge and the bestseller badge. But, that's something that is common sense. Of course, you should be selling good quality products on Amazon in order to avoid negative reviews, because negative reviews can severely affect and damage your business. And number four, make sure that you maintain your stock. Certainly, Amazon does not want to give a seller the bestseller badge or the Amazon Choice badge and them running out of stock or not having enough stock. Obviously, Amazon wants to make sales as much as we do, and thus one of the main criteria is to not run out of stock frequently, if that's what's happening to you, or also to basically maintain healthy stock levels. So which one is your favorite? Is it the bestseller or the Amazon Choice badge? Let me know in the comments below, and go ahead and check out this video after you've completed this video, because this is going to give you some more information in order to succeed on Amazon. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye!